It is believed that baking soda can help in any difficult situation. The possibilities of this product are almost limitless. Boomsly invites you to get familiar with some surprising uses for baking soda that you can try today. Number 10. Getting rid of swollen legs. After 30 years of age, people start experiencing swollen legs. This happens because of an excessive amount of salt in the body's tissues. The baking soda will help to get rid of swollen legs. You'll have to mix 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda with 1 cup of boiling water. Soak a pair of cotton socks in this warm solution, wring them out, and put them on before bed. Number 9. Making an exfoliant against blackheads. That good old box of baking soda deals with blackheads just great. Baking soda helps to neutralize your skin's pH, so it'll start producing less oil, and eventually, your blackheads will go away. So you'll have to mix the baking soda, toothpaste and water to form a paste. Splash your face with warm water to open up your pores. Then apply the baking soda paste to your face, concentrating on the blackhead areas. Massage the paste into your skin and leave it on for a minute. Finally, rinse off the paste with warm water and splash your face with cool water to constrict the pores. Number 8. Removing stubborn stains. To remove yellow sweat stains, mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 4 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide, and 1 teaspoon of liquid detergent. Apply the mixture to the stain and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Don't use this substance too often as the fabric can get ripped. Number 7. Repairing cracked ceramics. If you mix baking soda and super glue, you'll get a paste that works great with cracks in ceramic surfaces. Number 6. Making dishwasher tablets. To make dishwasher tablets at home, you'll need 1 tablespoon of baking soda, ½ cup of salt, and 1/3 cup of citric acid. Add 2 tablespoons of a dishwashing liquid. Mix all the ingredients in a big bowl. Leave it for 2 hours. When the substance stops growing, push the mixture into silicone ice cube molds and let it dry. Number 5. Getting rid of white stains on the chalkboard. To get rid of white stains on the chalkboard, you'll need to rub it with a wet sponge soaked in baking soda. Number 4. Removing pesticides from vegetables and fruits. To remove pesticides and the wax from fruits and vegetables, put them in a warm baking soda solution for 15 minutes. Number 3. Making shoe soles white again. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide, and 1 tablespoon of water. Gently apply the mixture to the soles with a small brush to clean them. Number 2. Taking a recovery bath after a workout. A baking soda bath can relieve muscle pain after a good workout. Pour ½ pack of baking soda into boiling water and wait till it dissolves. Then add this solution to the water in your bath. A 20-minute soak will help you relax and smooth your skin. Number 1. Heal open scars properly. When you get hurt, you might worry about getting a nasty scar, but there are some measures you can take to keep a scar from forming. Baking soda has disinfectant properties that help prevent a scar from forming, that can remove a hardened scab, and that can even prevent infection. When treating a scar with baking soda, it is important to also let the wound have exposure to the open air. In addition, baking soda can also be mixed with water to form an antiseptic. Do you have your own baking soda tips? Let us know in the comments if you'll be trying any of these out.